Welcome to an insightful journey into ChatGPT Deep Research, presented by Sue Newman. In this presentation, we will delve into the capabilities and applications of ChatGPT in conducting deep research across various domains. Imagine having a tool that can assist you with any project or research you're working on. ChatGPT offers a platform where you can input your queries and receive tailored insights to guide your work. With the Deep Research feature, ChatGPT provides detailed insights on any topic you choose. This feature is available for a limited time, offering you the opportunity to explore and understand complex subjects thoroughly. To enhance your productivity and access advanced features, consider upgrading your plan. Whether you choose the Plus or Pro plan, you'll unlock a range of tools designed to elevate your research and creativity. Once again, ChatGPT prompts you to share your current project or research focus. This interactive approach ensures that the insights you receive are relevant and tailored to your specific needs. Dive deeper into your research by specifying your area of interest. ChatGPT is equipped to handle complex queries, providing you with comprehensive answers and guidance. To tailor the insights to your needs, clarify a few things about your research focus. Whether it's information, practical strategies, or conceptual understanding, ChatGPT is here to assist you in finding the most relevant insights. Are you looking for practical strategies to overcome bottlenecks in your research? ChatGPT can help you identify and address these challenges, ensuring your research progresses smoothly. By specifying your research needs, ChatGPT can tailor its insights to provide the most relevant and useful information for your situation. This personalized approach ensures you get the best possible guidance. ChatGPT applies the theory of constraints to your research, focusing on identifying and overcoming bottlenecks. This approach is followed by practical strategies to streamline processes and enhance productivity. Stay informed with notifications that keep you updated on the latest insights and developments in your research area. ChatGPT ensures you never miss important information. Understand how the theory of constraints can be applied to solopreneur digital production. This methodology helps identify bottlenecks and optimize processes for better efficiency and results. By focusing on bottlenecks and optimizing processes, you can achieve greater efficiency and success in your projects. ChatGPT provides guidance on how to implement these strategies effectively. Learn how to unblock bottlenecks using the theory of constraints as a prioritization technique. This approach helps streamline your workflow and maximize productivity, leading to significant improvements in your outcomes. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please like, subscribe, and comment.